Welcome to the Google Classroom once again. Let's get started with the first chapter from Beehive, The Fun They Had. The Fun They Had is a story written by Isaac Asimov. It was published in 1951 in the magazine Fantasy and Science Fiction magazine. Generally, I would begin this class by asking my students to imagine a future situation wherein the teaching-learning process is conducted through electronic devices. But right now, we are facing the same situation. Even though I'm in front of my camera, I can see a lot of children sitting in front of me with wonderful smiles and sparkling eyes. Just like my wonderful children, I have two main characters in the story, who is Margie and Tommy. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. The story begins with a statement that Margie writes in her diary. She writes, "Today Tommy found a real book." From this itself we understand that they have not any awareness on what a printed book looks like. They are familiar with telebooks. Telebooks are nothing but books that can be downloaded or installed into electronic devices. Now that they have discovered a book, let us hear it from them what they have learned more about printed books. Margie tells Tommy that once her grandfather had shared a childhood experience of reading from printed paper. Now for the first time they are seeing a book. They noticed that the books are having printed words on it and that you have to change the pages, turn the pages to read them. According to them, this was useless. Tommy felt that telebooks were far more advantageous because one could download millions of telebooks onto an electronic device and use them whenever they wanted. Tommy found this book in his house from the attic. Attic means storeroom. And he informed Margie that the book explained or discussed about schools. Margie hated schools. The reason why she hated school is because school for them meant a room adjoining their bedroom which had an electronic device or a computer that acted as a mechanical teacher. Similar to this situation we are also going through, but for them the mechanical teacher meant an electronic device where all the information or the study material was installed onto it. The mechanical teacher was also programmed to give tests and homework. Margie hated school more because she was not doing well in geography. Her geography teacher was continuously giving test after test and she was not faring good marks. Margie felt helpless as she was not getting proper guidance from her teacher. There was a slot where she had to put in her homework and the test papers in punch language, means computer language. She had to type it and put it into the slot. The teacher would immediately give back the results. Since she was not faring well in geography, her mother sent for a county inspector. County inspector means a person who is repairing machines. When the county inspector came, Margie was hoping that the device would be taken away, just like as it happened with Tommy's mechanical teacher. Now once Tommy's teacher was taken away because the history sector from his device was completely blanked out. So the teacher had to be taken away for a month for reinstalling the history sector. But when the county inspector returned after checking the mechanical device or Margie's teacher, he informed that there was no particular defect with her mechanical teacher, only that it was geared too quick, meaning it was set at a higher understanding level and he had reduced it to a level that Margie could understand. Now, this was the kind of education that Margie and Tommy had. After reading the book, Tommy is explaining to her the information he had gathered about schools. He tells her that in olden times people taught in schools. Margie disapproves this system because according to her, Human beings are not as smart as electronic devices. Tommy argues with her, and to prove his point, he says that his father has as much intelligence and knowledge as the computer. Still, Margie is doubtful, and she is asking Tommy that how can a complete stranger stay in one's house? Tommy laughs and explains to her that in olden times, schools were special buildings where people went to teach and all the children gathered to learn. Students or children of same age studied in the same class. Here, Margie is thinking about her mother's concept of personalized learning. In personalized learning, every teacher was adjusted to the mind of the child and every child was taught differently. So it was individual learning. Just as they were discussing these things, Margie's mother calls out and tells her that it is time for her school. They decide to discuss this matter the next day. Margie moves into her room where the computer screen is already lit up and is ready for arithmetic homework. The mechanical teacher gives instructions and very mechanically Margie follows the instruction. In the meantime, she begins to think about the kind of school her grandfather had gone to. She also tried to understand the fun they had when all the children joined together in a classroom for studying and playing, for sharing feelings and emotions. But most importantly, she realized having the love, care, affection, and the guidance of a teacher and the importance that it can make in a child's life. So this is the story that Isaac presents in front of us. The theme of the story is very evident in front of us. It explains to us how computerized learning or scientific technology can deprive people of emotions. Social interaction is very, very important.